Hi, this is our first day in Moab with the Elk Mountain Adult Program, and we're tearing it up. Today we're teaching a couple guys how to ride some dirt bikes, and tomorrow we're gonna get them on the rocks.
Alright, I'm Anthony. I'm in the adult program at Elk Mountain. I've been up here for like 4 months now or something like that, and yeah, whenever I was using drugs, you know, there's obviously no initiative to go out and do things like that, and I've never, like, in my whole time in sobriety thought like, man, I want to be sober today. But like, I was just riding the dirt bikes and like these cows were like chasing us through a fence, and I was like, this is pretty cool to be sober and like be focused on what's going on around me. So it definitely made me see that there's more to life than drugs, and you can do a lot more with good people without drugs.
Bite of the rope, arm length, and then you got your bite, right? Yeah. And then you just wrap it and pull it through, and then you'll know it's right because it looks like an 8. Okay. Alright, so Joey's teaching Anthony here how to belay. Trevor's doing his first climb.
Rock climbing was definitely awesome, a new hobby that I would love to do some more. There was nothing like really to grab onto, but you had to like make your own path up there. So that was really cool to do. And just like once you got to the top, the view was just awesome. You could see like all the people down there. It definitely made me realize like there's a lot more out there for me to do. Like adventure is like a limitless like opportunity. Like you can find adventure anywhere.
That was awesome, dude. You don't want to do it, but you certainly did it.
Actually, I don't know. I'm scared of heights.
Well, you just...
You never heard you mention that the whole time.
No, I definitely mentioned it.
Well, you just took care of business, right?
Yeah.
Did it anyways. How does that feel?
Good to be back.
Slurry,